disaster or earthquakes. Mandalay, we have and some earthquake. Indonesia also, and another country have the some earthquakes a few days ago. The crisis or disaster that on human beings, like our Earth is sick. So you are not balancing about our Earth. So why nowadays it's too hot or have the eye from the nose for tools disappear, and some boom in volcano, some volcano have problem and have many floods in some country. Before this, if we look back to some news on some media, we know about the happening floods. Until now, we will have earthquakes, which have effect more and more to the many building in Vihara, and there's rise of human also. So have the another country, they go helping in Malaysia, isolation focusan go send doctor and panitia helping Myanmar and Mandalay, or some the Vihara, like Antasika, Pante Victor go open donator for helping in Myanmar.ก็อนุโมทนา for the good thing which we can help the people help